check, test mic. Volleyball fans, friends, ladies and gentlemen, masantos ng Kapusan, good morning. Welcome to Governor Ramon V. Guico III Inter-Town Volleyball Tournament 2026, right here at Calasiao Sports Complex, Calasiao, Pangasinan. This is match number 45 of Volleyball Women's Division Central Conference to be played between the municipality of San Jacinto and the municipality of Malasiqui. The national referees for this match, first referee, Frederick Magpali. Second referee, Arman Soriano. Armando Soriano, sorry po. Good luck players, good luck coaches, good luck team officials.
Good morning ulit sa ating mga volleyball fans dito sa Pangasinan. Of course, mga Pangasinense, maraming salamat palagi sa inyong support for this live coverage dito sa ating conference, Central Conference for the Governors Cup Volleyball Tournament 2026. Live na live tayo dito sa Calasiao Sports Complex, Calasiao, Pangasinan. We are on our third match for this Saturday morning between San Jacinto at Malasiqui. So kanina we just witnessed our three-set game between Manawag and Bayambang. Sorry, yes, Santa Barbara and Manawag. Panalo ang Santa Barbara doon sa laro na yon. Okay, so the first service belongs to San Jacinto. That would be under the hands of Yante, player number 6. Once again, welcome sa ating fourth game of this weekend. Dito pa rin tayo sa Calasiao Sports Complex, Calasiao, Pangasinan. Okay, tignan natin kung sino ngayon ang magkakaroon ng panalo for their municipality. Play number 3 sets to the open, drops and rolls. Garcia was able to dug it. Good up, Cernoza to Serran. That's the first point of this match between these two teams, Malasiqui and San Jacinto, and that belongs to Serran, player number 7. R1A standout. That serve was wide for Yante from Team San Jacinto. We now have on the service zone is player number 18 of Malasiqui. The libero, Cernoza, had a 1-2 play. Somebody was there to cover that ball. Chua places a setter. Chance ball for Malasiqui. The lefty was dug by another lefty on that other side of the court. But that set was too far from the net. Kaya naman hindi na na-adjustan ng ating player 7 na si Serran, talking about the San Jacinto side. Or 2-1. Short serve. Binigay kay Chua, but that was short. Another chance for player number 12, who is dug. What about that? From Serran, it was deflected. Libero from Malasiqui plays as a setter. And so with Team San Jacinto, pero ayaw ni Serran ng ganon. It was too low for her. Play number 3 with the help of the net. Kaya naman, that's 3-1. Still on the service zone is player 18 from Malasiqui. Straight to the libero of San Jacinto. Siran will try again, but the ball is blocked. Another chance for San Jacinto. Chance ball ang binigay sa Malasiqui to the middle. Who does not like that set? Sarnosa will give it again to Siran, who now gets a point for her team. It slips on the hand of the player of player number 8. Now we have player 16, Chua, on the service zone from San Jacinto. Good first ball. Setter goes to the lefty, and that is checked. Yanti hesitated to take that ball. Kaya naman, it slips on her hand. We're now at 4, serving 2. Siran receives the first. There was a penetration under the net called against Caballero of San Jacinto. So the point belongs to Malasiqui, enjoying the 3-point lead at his early part of the game. She tried again, but that was long. He was way underneath that ball. Hindi niya naitawid ng tama, kaya masyadong mahaba, at that is outside. What about this? Siran plays as a setter. Caballero drops the ball. Setter back set to the lefty. And the libero was so active in that position on the side of San Jacinto. And that, Gabriel's attack did not cross the net. Talking about the side of Malasiqui. Okay, 1 point is given to San Jacinto. The setter serves for San Jacinto, player number 4. Chua picks that ball up. Asiran will roll the ball, and that is a good dig. No one is there to get that ball. It would have been a chance ball for San Jacinto, but nobody takes that first ball. Gistela will try. It's a good pancake, but no one followed it up for the third touch. Sayang. We're at 4-7. Siran serves for San Jacinto, straight to player number 12. Lefty from Malasiqui did not send that over on the other side of the court. So that's a free point for San Jacinto, who is now behind 2 points. 5, serving 7. Siran. Chua was there to get that. Yante to play number 12 of Malasiqui. Another lefty will try the play number 3. Good dig for Garcia. It's a chance ball to the middle. He adjusts. Garcia will try, but that one is wide. We're now back at 3-point advantage for Team Malasiqui. As player 3, the lefty serves. Not a good first ball. It's a chance ball now for Malasiqui. To the open. She does not like that. It's too far from her. Sarnosa sets to the middle. Caballero with a good, oops, it's not a good pancake for player number 3 of Malasiqui. Six-8 is our official count. Player 10 sends it straight to the net. Talking about Caballero of San Jacinto. That's a free point for Team Malasiqui. 9-6. Libero Bandong with a good first ball. Chua tries, but the libero of Malasiqui was there to dog that. Another chance with a rolling of the ball. Yes, it is still good. Ball in play. Sornoza. That one is long for Chua. Scores 10-6. Lamang ng apat ang Team Malasiqui. Garcia drops the ball. Now it's a chance ball for Team San Jacinto. To the open, Chua drops it. Not a good pancake. Nahuli ang kamay ni player number 5 from Malasiqui. Garcia will be at the service zone from Team San Jacinto, player 11. Not a good first ball. Chance ball for San Jacinto to the middle. Who scores for her team? Deficit is now down to 2. 8 serving 10 is our official tally. As player 11 of San Jacinto, Garcia continues to serve straight to the libero, faulty reception. Chance ball again for San Jacinto. What would Sornosa do? The setter goes to Chua. Good net defense shown by Team San Jacinto. And that one is too hard to handle. It almost straight hits the face of the libero. Player number 5 at the service zone for Malasiqui. The middle, who sends that ball straight to the net. Chance ball, sana yun, pero it was an error. 9-11 is our tally. Okay, for the information of everybody, halos parehong standing ng dalawang teams na to. Malasiqui has two wins and 3 losses. On the other hand, we have San Jacinto with 2 wins with 4 losses. They are eyeing for the 3rd win for their municipality and for their team. 1 point deficit for San Jacinto. Good net defense now. Siran sends it over. Chance ball for Malasiqui. There was a miscommunication on the side of Bayambang. Pero they will have a chance ball. Joust to the net. Nanalo ang Team Malasiqui in that sequence. Talking about player number 9, Terrado. We now have player 18 serving. The libero takes it. What about that? Very close to the net. But someone scraped the net. Talking about player from Malasiqui and number 9, Terrado, whose team is up by 1. 11-12 is our score. Not a good first ball. Nahirapan ang setter dahil napakalapit sa net nung reception na yon. We're now a deadlock. 12-all is our score. Napatawag din ng timeout ang Team Malasiqui dahil nahabol at nawala na yung 3-point advantage that they enjoyed kanina. Okay, napaganda ang net defense ng San Jacinto. Maganda naman ang floor defense na pinapakita ng team Malasiqui. Match na match po ang ating larong pinapanood today here at Calasiao Sports Complex, Calasiao, Pangasinan, under Women's Division for the Central Conference para sa ating Governor's Cup for the Inter-Town Volleyball Tournament 2026. We're back in the action now after that time called by Malasiqui. Chua serves. Another attack error committed by the player from Malasiqui. Straight to the net. 13-12 is our tally. Lamang ng isa ngayon ang San Jacinto after being down by as much as 3 points. All 13 is our score. Tied again. Garcia gets the first ball to Caballero, who goes down the line. No one was there to defend that zone one. And they're back on top, talking about San Jacinto with 1 point advantage. Another faulty reception on the end of Malasiqui, kaya naman they're down 2. As San Jacinto is enjoying their 2-point lead. The biggest advantage they had for this set. There was a substitution on the side of Malasiqui as player number 4 joins the action. What about that? Straight to the net, Sernoza. Free point for Team Malasiqui. Good serve, but it's a good reception. What about chance ball? Okay, so that is a chance ball for Malasiqui to the lefty, whose ball is deflected. Siran will try, but she drops that ball to the middle and blocked. No one was there to cover player number 5, Ocumen, on the side of Malasiqui. Caballero had a kill block for her team, San Jacinto, as she goes straight to the service zone. Good first ball. That is the score for Malasiqui, player number 4, who just had her first point of the game. Timeout for Team San Jacinto. So there was a confusion on the end of San Jacinto, kaya naman napatawag ng timeout si coach. So tignan natin kung ano ang magiging sanction nito. Pero the point was given to San Jacinto after that sequence. Timeout is called by San Jacinto. Tig-isang timeout nang nagamit. Okay, so we now have our score is 17-15. Ayusin ang kanilang rotation. Talking about the side of San Jacinto. There are only 5 players, 6 players there is a discussion going on. Okay, so one of the coaches of San Jacinto was asked to go at the back of the bench kasi hindi niya nadala ang kanilang coach uniform. Okay, so we're now back in the action as Serran, player 7 of San Jacinto, will serve for her team, who is up by 2, 17-15. Maraming salamat ulit sa ating mga viewers online. Thank you so much for always supporting, be it here in the Philippines or all over the world, dahil may mga OFWs tayong sumusuporta sa nilang mga anak or kapamilya. As I said that hit by player number 4 was so strong and long. Gabriel is back, player number 8 in action, and player number 4, Soriano, will take some time at the bench line. Siran. Gabriel adjusts. And that went straight to the net. Malasiqui is now down by 4 points, 15-19. Continues to serve for Siran. Targets zone 6. It's a chance ball now. Garcia tries. And she is dug to the middle. But that went straight to the net. They now have 5-point advantage. Talking about Team San Jacinto. Player 2 is in, one of the middle hitters is joining the action for Malasiqui. Good first ball. It's a chance ball now. To the middle, Cabanero tries, but that is long for her. Garcia places a setter as Chua sends it over. Chance ball for Malasiqui. 1-2 play. It didn't work. Nabasa ng side ng San Jacinto yon, but that hit was not good for Team San Jacinto. Talking about Iante. Napatawag ng pangalawang timeout ang Team San Jacinto. 2017. 2 timeouts now is used for the Team San Jacinto. Let's see what happens after this time. We are back in action here for our 4th match this Saturday dito sa Calasiao Sports Complex, Calasiao, Pangasinan. And we are on our first set, 20 for San Jacinto, 17 for Malasiqui. As player 8 of Malasiqui serves for her team. Chance ball. Nalunod. Nalunod ngayon si player number 8, Iante. So magpapahinga siya. She will be replaced by player number 3, Aspiras. Let's see what will be the contribution now. 1-2 play, hindi kinaya na iset ng setter yon as she is from the back line. No one gets that ball. Isa na lang ang kalamangan ng San Jacinto. 3 points is now down to 1 point advantage. Sure serve. Sornosa to Aspiras who just joins the action. Medyo malamig pa siya. Let's see kung bibigyan ulit siya. Yes, she will try again but she does not like that set. Pinlac gets the first. And that slips to the hands of Sornosa, number 4. Just like that, 3-point lead is now erased. We're tied up at 20. Not a good first ball. Aspiras will try again and she rolls the ball. Setter goes to the middle. Pinlock, who scores for her team. Isa na ang kalamangan ng Malasiqui ngayon against San Jacinto. Another one received from Serran. Chance ball, Malasiqui to the open. Who breaks down the wall? Talking about Pitagara, player number 12. That's a fearless attack. Garcia will try. But that one is long. They're stuck at 20. It is now 6-0 run. Caballero. No check according to our linesman and to our first and second referee. Set point. 4 set points. Chua. Malamig na malamig pa si Aspiras on that attack and that gives a win for this set. Ang ating team, Malasiqui. 25-20 is our final score for this first set. Okay, yan na nga. Hindi na nga nakaalis sa 20-point mark ang San Jacinto. 20-25 ang kanilang score ngayon. Makakabawi kaya ang San Jacinto after that? Tignan natin when we return for the second set of this fourth match this Saturday afternoon. We are back here in action for the second set for the fourth match. Pangasinan, ang galing. Maraming salamat po sa mga nandito sa ating venue, Calasiao Sports Complex, Calasiao, Pangasinan. And of course, sa ating mga live viewers on our Facebook, maraming salamat. Please do share, comment, and of course, like our page para mas maraming ma-reach ang ating page at makita nila kung gaano kagaling ang mga Pangasinense when it comes to playing volleyball. As we are here with our first ever Governor Ramon V. Guico III Inter-Town Volleyball Tournament 2026 Governor's Cup. First set belongs to Malasiqui, 25-20. Now we are in our second set. Player 18 serves the ball. Chua gives to Caballero, whose ball is deflected. Will they be able to do that? No, not anymore. Good hustle though. Talaga namang hindi pinapakawalan isang puntos ng Team Malasiqui. Habol kung habol. But that wasn't enough for that sequence, as the first point belongs to San Jacinto. Now it's 2 points. Two zero. Not a good first ball as player 3, the lefty, is dogged by another lefty on the side of San Jacinto. Chance ball for Team Malasiqui. The libero takes the first ball. Player 13 gives to the open, who is dogged by the libero. Serran places a setter, and the setter just sends it over with a chance ball for Malasiqui to the middle, who is blocked. Good defense. Sino bibigyan to the middle again? Caballero, who is dogged. Yeah, and with a okay, Caballero hit the chest of Okumen player 18 and quickly apologizes to show sportsmanship. Chua, player 16, serves the ball. The lefty will try again, but player 11 is so good at digging. That one is long. First point for Team Malasiqui, 1-3. Petagara, player 12. She is instructed by the captain, the coach. Setter goes to the middle. Caballero, whose ball is deflected to the open, who's blocked. But that one, according to our down referee, there was a net violation. Okay, so there was a discussion. Okay, so that is a score for Team Malasiqui. We have 2-3. That's a good service for Team Malasiqui, who ties the game at 3. Bandong with a faulty reception. Serran gives it to the middle. Chance ball for Malasiqui, who is blocked. Caballero is very active in defending the net. Kill block for her. Chance ball for San Jacinto. Good cover. Chance ball for Team Malasiqui. The libero to the open parade is Dog. Back set. She does not like that. Player 9. We are now tied at 4. Back set to Cabanero, who plays middle, but she is at a wing. Tries again. Bandong was there. At the down the line, Serran rolls the ball. Player 3. That's south side for player 9 from Malasiqui. That is long serve. We are now tied again at 5. There's a third deadlock. That's outside for Cabanero, who was very active when it comes to net defense. Malayo ang kanyang pag-serve doon. It was long. Kaya naman, the score is now 6-5. Good net defense for Pinlock, player number 2. Now it's a chance ball for Team San Jacinto to the middle. Who drops the ball? Player 8 was there to get that. And somebody scrapes the net on the side of San Jacinto. Now it's 2-point advantage for Team Malasiqui. Six, 7 is our tally. It's a chance ball for San Jacinto. Serran gets the first ball. Setter goes to the open. Choa, who gets a point and ties the game at 7. Player 12 to the open, who is very active and swings really 100%. That one hits the antenna. It's an attack error on the side of San Jacinto, talking about player 16, Chua, whose team is down by 1. Sornoza gives to the... That is inside. 8 all. This is a very close set for both teams. Walang lumalayo. And that's inside for Garcia, player 11, who puts his team at a 1-point advantage. Soriano will come in, player 4 as player 8. Will now take some time at the bench line, Gabriel from Team Malasiqui. To the open, that set is too close. And that's wide for her. 2-point advantage for San Jacinto, 10-8. It's another good serve. Another ace for Team San Jacinto, who will now at 3-point advantage. 11-8. Timeout is called by Team Malasiqui. We are back in action after that timeout called by Team Malasiqui. Player 11. That's inside. Napakalinis ng down the line hit na yon na pinakawalan ng ating player number 12 from Team Malasiqui. Player 2. Chua, chance ball for Malasiqui. The open does not like that. Say to the libero. Now Chua will try to swing, but player 3 was so ready for that ball. Another hit, but that goes straight to the net for player number 12. Yante serves to the middle, whose ball is deflected. Good net defense. Chua will try to roll the ball, and that one is in. Down the line. Zone 1 was so open para kay Chua. Widely open. Substitution. Player 4 will now go back at the bench. And player 8, Gabriel, rejoins the action. Another faulty reception. Serran gets the first. That is out. It was a good combination play though, but the execution was not that so smooth. Kaya that was so long. 10-13 is our official score. Faulty reception. Napasigaw ang mga players on the side of San Jacinto with that reception. Service ace para kay player number 18, 11, serving 13. Sir Nozat Caballero plays as open hitter. 12 serving 13. Humahabol ulit ang Team Malasiqui. Just like what happened in the first set. There was a miscommunication on both sides of the courts. Pero nakakuha ng puntos ay ang Team San Jacinto, 14-12. Good first ball. To the open, lefty breaks that too. Man block. Petagara will try to get up an ace as she goes to the service zone. 13 serving 14. Chua gets the first ball. Enterrado ties the game at 14. Napatawag ng timeout ang ating coaching staff from Team San Jacinto dahil nawala na yung kanilang kalamangan. They're now at 14 all. We'll be back after this time. The question now is, would we have another three-setter game for this Saturday between San Jacinto and Malasiqui? Good first ball from Bandong, the libero, as Serran is dug. Bandong will play as a setter, and the setter now returns the ball. A chance ball for Malasiqui. That's 2 touches. Kaya naman, lamang na ang Team Malasiqui sa ating mga viewers na kanunood pa lang sa atin. We are on our 4th match here at Calasiao Sports Complex. Calasiao, Pangasinan. Live na live po tayo. 15-14 ang ating tally. Lamang ang Malasiqui. Lamang ng 1 set ang Malasiqui din for this. Back set to Paris, and that is good for her. The lefty from Malasiqui scores a point for her team, who's enjoying a 2-point lead. A chance ball. The libero takes the first to the open. Who sends that long? Player 8 sends that ball long. Now Jacinto will now try to tie the game. Score is 15, serving 16. But that ball goes straight to our up referee. It's an error on the service zone for player number 4, the setter of San Jacinto. Good first ball for the libero. The lefty is dog. Now it's a chance ball for San Jacinto, pero there was a miscommunication on their end. Kaya naman, that chance ball was put into waste. Nasayang. San Jacinto is now 3-point deficit. Now we have Malasiqui, who is now up by 3. Kanina, they were the ones chasing. Titignan natin if makakabalik ang San Jacinto and extend this match to set 3. They're down by 3 sa second set. Player 9 sends that ball along on the service zone. She was ice cold after that timeout called by San Jacinto. Caballero. Player 3, Paris, receives and will try to score, and she scores for the team. Now she is at the service zone, talking about the one who just had a score. Paris, player number 3. The lefty, straight to the libero. Bandong, player number 5. That's inside. What a lucky ball for that out-of-system play on the side of San Jacinto. (17 serving 19). Serran is at this service zone. One-point deficit for Team San Jacinto. 18-19 is our tally on our second set. Serran. 1-2 play. Serran gets the first ball. And Chua will try. And yes, she ties the game at 19. There was a time called by Team Malasiqui. And we are back in action here. Nandito pa rin tayo sa ating napakagandang venue, Calasiao Sports Complex, Calasiao, Pangasinan. Both teams have burned their 2 timeouts. So the ladies will now be on their own after this time on both sides of the court, San Jacinto and Malasiqui. As player 7 continues to serve for San Jacinto. To the open, player 8. Now the lead is back on the side of Malasiqui, 20-19. Good first ball. 1-2 play. Another one. Who will play as a setter? Yante plays as a setter. No one gets a third touch as the libero sends it over. Chance ball for Malasiqui. And player 12 is Doug. Another chance ball. To the middle. Pinlock drops the ball. And that's still good. Ball in play. Another one in the middle who drops the ball, but another good defense on the side of San Jacinto. Good dig. It's a long rally. 12 will try again. But that is in. Pinakawalan yung bola na yon. There was a miscommunication on the side of San Jacinto, who is now down by 2 points, 21, serving 19. As player 8 of Malasiqui serves the ball. And that's an ace. 22-19, a 3-point lead. Another one. 23-19. Another ace for Gabriel, player number 8. What a turn of events. Napakabilis ng pangyayari. Chance ball. Sornosa will again give it to Achua, who is Doug again. What about this? Player number 12, and that is long. Player 11 will try 2023. 2 points ang kailangan ng Team Malasiqui to get this match and to have another win for the team. Good dig. 1-2 play. And that is good eye for Team Malasiqui. Match points. There are 4 match points na kailangan nilang i-save on the side of San Jacinto. Player 2 Pinlock is now at the bench line as player number 6 joins the action as service specialist. Not a good first ball. Now it's chance ball for Malasiqui. Will they be able to close this? Let's see on the middle. Tirado is yes, ma'am. Naisara na nga ang ating match for this 4th match at 25-20 is our score. 2 sets ang kanilang pagkapanalo. Congratulations for Team Malasiqui. Kuya, ipatalo. Nani kayo naman. Hindi atalo kami. 2 sets.
Team captain of Team Malasiqui and Team San Jacinto.
Wala friend. Wala friend. Wala friend daw. Okay lang po yun, di ba? Yeah, wala friend. Hindi ka din magsalita. Mayayain ng mga players ko. Huwag ka mayayain natin. Sige pa. Ano? Si Belen. Belen, you won twice sa pagiging player of the game. Kumusta sa pakiramdam na nanalo ka ulit?
Sobrang saya po.
And paano nyo pinaghandaan ang laro for today?
Sinusunod lang po namin yung sinasabi ng mga coaches namin. And then, hindi naman po kami mananalo without our teammates po.
And sa ating mga players at sa ating player of the game, may gusto ba kayong i-shout out sa ating live? Sa ating...
Shout out po sa family ko at sa boyfriend ko po. Um, Shout out po kay Mayor Alfie Soriano and kay Vice Mayor Dang Mamaril and also po kay Sir Bads na sports coordinator po namin. So, shout out po sa family ko dyan na nanonood sa live! Tapos sa mga kaibigan ko, tapos kay Nicole, tapos kay Ayesa po, tapos sa mga teammates ko po. Thank you po.
May boyfriend ka din ba? Hindi mo shout out.
Hi, Owen.
And to coach, may laro kayo bukas, women's and men's. Anong gusto mong sabihin at or mensahe sa mga players mo?
Masasabi ko lang sa players ko is stay put in the game and laging ipairal yung composure sa loob ng court. Huwag ipairal lang kaba kasi kung kakabahan ka, hindi mo may bibigay yung best mo. Hindi mo mailalabas kung ano yung tinraining natin. So, always think positive inside the court na lagi mong kaya at hanggat hindi natatapos ng 25, ilaban lang, ilaro lang ng ilaro.
Coach, what is your planned game mamaya para paghandaan ang laro for tomorrow?
Actually, hindi na kami magte-training later, pero magkakaroon kami ng huddle mamaya wherein ipaplano namin kung ano yung gagawin namin bukas, kung ano yung techniques and tactics namin, kung paano namin haharapin yung season tomorrow.
Check, check.
Hello, hello. Coach, okay lang naman. Rinig po ito sa
Check.
Rinig po naman ito sa video. Coach, may gusto ka bang i-shout out for today's live?
Gusto ko lang pong i-shout out si Mayor for his genuine support sa aming team and to also to our Vice Mayor Dang Mamaril and sa ating Sangguniang Bayan members. And also, I'd like to shout out the men's volleyball team of Malasiqui. Galingan nyo bukas and alam ko kayang-kaya nyo yan.
Maganda nga naman ang team chemistry ng Team Malasiqui and we will see tomorrow ang kanilang laro ulit. At up next, huwag kayong aalis dahil ang laban na ng San Carlos City against Mangaldan. Congratulations, Team Malasiqui. We will see you tomorrow. This is Jel Serene Ravago, your courtside reporter. Pangasinan, ang galing.